Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is question from May-June 2015, paper 42, question 5C. So question wants us to get the products when A and B reacting with all these reagents. So for A, we have OH attached directly to a benzene where it is a phenol. And in B, we have OH attached to a saturated carbon where it is an alcohol. So there will be no reaction when phenol reacting with HBr. So when alcohol reacting with HBr, we will get a bromoalkane. So this will become a bromine. And next, both of them reacting with Na, which is sodium, will produce a salt. So this is the salt produced when phenol reacting with sodium. And next, there will be also a salt formed when alcohol is reacting with sodium. At the same time, hydrogen gas is produced. So next, for NaOH. So since phenol is slightly acidic, so there will be neutralization between phenol and NaOH. So the product will be a salt. And next, there will be no reaction for alcohol with NaOH since alcohol is neutral. So we can actually make it extra. What if question asks us to react A and B with sodium carbonate? So for information, there will be no reaction for both of them.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.